10 surprising psychological reasons someone might fall in love with you. Love, that magical and mysterious force that binds hearts together, has intrigued and captivated humanity for centuries. While the experience of falling in love is unique to each individual, there are surprising psychological reasons that can ignite this enchanting emotion. Join us as we explore 10 intriguing factors that shed light on the enigma of love, drawing us deeper into its irresistible allure. Here are 10 surprising reasons why someone might fall in love based on psychology. So, let's get started. 1. Shared vulnerabilities. When two people talk about their weaknesses and support each other, it can create a strong connection. Being brave enough to show your feelings and weaknesses to someone helps build trust and closeness, leading to unexpected love. 2. Sense of mystery. People like to solve puzzles, and the feeling of not knowing something can be very interesting. When someone has interesting traits or hobbies that are hard to understand, it can make people interested in them and want to learn more. 3. Laughter and humor. When people laugh, it can make others laugh too, and bring them closer together. When two people find each other funny and can make each other laugh, it makes them happy. This can make them grow closer and eventually fall in love. 4. Mirror neurons at play. Mirror neurons help us understand and feel the emotions of others. When we see someone happy or excited, our brain cells get excited too. This makes us feel close to them and can lead to falling in love. 5. Unconscious compatibility. Without us realizing it, our subconscious can show us who would be good for us by noticing hints that a person has traits that we need to balance out. We tend to feel drawn to people who have similar strengths and weaknesses as us, which can create a strong bond and unexpected love. 6. Familiarity and comfort. People like things that they know and feel comfortable with. When we remember good things from our past, like a person who helped us or a friend we liked when we were small, we feel happy and cared for. This can make it easier for us to love others. 7. Pheromones and attraction. Our ability to smell affects who we are attracted to, but people don't usually think about it. Pheromones are smelly signals we give off that can affect how we feel about someone. They can make us like someone more without even realizing it, which can cause us to fall in love unexpectedly. 8. Adventure and novelty. Trying out new and exciting things with someone can form a special connection that is greater than normal. Doing new and exciting things together makes our brains produce dopamine, which makes us feel more connected emotionally and can lead to feelings of love. 9. Similar goals and values. When people have the same goals and values, they feel like they are on the same page and get along better. When people find out they have the same hopes and thoughts, they get along better and often end up falling in love. 10. The power of timing. When someone falls in love, the timing is important. Sometimes, when two people are open to love and meet each other at the perfect time, they might feel a strong connection that they didn't expect. This can lead to a wonderful journey of love. Love is hard to understand and happens because of many things in our minds. These reasons show how wonderful and unpredictable it can be to fall in love. It reminds us that amazing things can happen when two people's hearts connect. Thank you for watching.